I've had the 40-volt Ryobi lawnmower for 2 years and it's been great. Yesterday, out of the blue, the motor started cutting out at random like this. And this. I wasn't letting go of the blade handle and it would start right back up again no problem, just to cut out a minute later. I wasn't sure why. It seemed like the contacts for both the blade handle and the start button were just fine. I tried swapping in a fully charged battery, but that made no difference. It wasn't low power, causing the mower to shut down. Then I checked out the fuse key under the hood, and it was super loose, even though I hadn't touched it since I bought the mower. It must have slowly dislodged on its own, causing inconsistent contact, breaking the circuit when I hit a bump. The metal surfaces here and here need to be in contact at all times. All I had to do was pop the key back in place, pushing firmly until it was locked back in. Fixing the problem was as simple as that for me. I know this won't solve everyone's issues, but I still wanted to share this as it may take some of you out there to the promised land. Reflecting on this, I noticed my brain immediately jumped to the conclusion that my mower might be broken or that I may need to call someone. I don't really know how anything works, but this was a good reminder that even though I have a smooth, simple brain, a fix can sometimes be as easy as pushing a key back in. Hope this helps you out, and drop a comment for the people if you had to solve this another way. Have a great day.